Hi, my name is Vijay Chindu from AIML. Uh, my topic is hierarchical data structure. What is hierarchical data structure? Hierarchical data structure is a data structure when items are linked to each other in parent-child relation in an overall tree structure. Think of data like a family tree with grandparents, parents, children, and grandchildren, forming a hierarchy of connected data. So, tree is the best example of hierarchical data structure. So here we can see in this picture our here grandfather and grandmother. They both have children called Ramesh, Mugdha, Subhash, Ratna, and they both Ramesh and Mugdha. They also have a child named Ananya. So this relation is called hierarchical uh, data structure relation. So next, what is tree? A tree is a nonlinear data structure in which items are arranged in sorted sequence. It is issued to represent hierarchical relation existing amongst several data items. So here we have some elements which we call as nodes. So we have some links connected to each other in a hierarchical, that is hierarchical relationship. So terminology of tree. First of all, root. It is specially designed data item in a tree. It is the first in the hierarchical arrangement of data item. So first A is the root node. So it is where all the tree structure starts. And next, A have children called A, C, D. So B, C, D are the children of A, and E, F are children of B, and G, H are children of D. So E, F, G, H are leaf nodes because they are the endpoints of the tree and they don't have any children. Next, nodes. What is a node? Each data item in a tree is called a node. So here we have nodes like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. It is basic structure in a tree. It specifies the data information and links like branches to other data items. So what is a tree? We have a stem and all the branches are divided from the stem. So here is also same. From A, B and C are uh, childs and they are linked to A, and D and E are linked to B. So all the nodes are linked to their parents. Next, edge. So the connection line of two nodes is called an edge. So here we can see this line and this connects A and D. It is an edge. We call it as edge. This line, this is the line drawn from one node to another node is called an edge. So that's what I said. And next, level. The entire tree structure is leveled in such a way that the root node is always zero. So here the root node is always zero and the level of root node is zero. Then its intermediate child are at level 1, intermediate child, and their intermediate childs are at level 2, and so on up to the terminal nodes. Siblings. The children nodes of a given parent node are called siblings. They are also called brothers. So here in this picture, A is the root node and parent of B and C. So having a common parent makes them siblings and also called as brothers. Here we can see A is a root node, parent, and left child B and C is the right child. So they are all siblings, children. And here B, for B, D and E are children. So we call them siblings. And F and G are children of C, and we call them siblings and the children of C. Next, terminal node. A node with degree 0 is terminal node or a leaf. Previously, as I said, a node which doesn't have any child is called leaf node, and that those nodes are called terminal nodes. Terminal node and non-terminal node. any node except root node whose degree is not 0 is called non-terminal node. Except the root node and the leaf nodes, remaining are non-terminal nodes. Degree of a node. It is the number of subtrees of a node in a given tree. Degree of a node means the levels. If a node has two children, and the B and C itself has two children, that makes them degree of a node 2. Next, degree of a tree. It is the number of maximum degree of a node in a given tree. Here we can see A is the root node and it has a children B and C, and B and C itself have their child as D and E and F, G respectively. So the degree of this tree is 2, as this is the longest edge. A to B and B to D all are at same levels. So here D is at level 2, B is at level 1, and A is level 0. Next, path. It is a sequence of consecutive edges from the source node to the destination node. Here A is the root node and I is the destination node. It is a sequence of consecutive edges from source node. So from A to I, there's a consecutive edges from A to D, D to H, and H to I. This is the path. And another example, like we want the F as destination node. From A, we can go to A to B, and B to F is another path. That makes a consecutive edge. Next, what is a binary tree? A binary tree is a finite set of data items which is either empty or consists of single item called the root and two disjoint binary trees called the left subtree and the right subtree. In a binary tree, the maximum degree of any node is at most 2. So here A is the root node and A have a left child called B and right child C, and B itself has the left and right childs D and E, and C have F and G as left and right subtrees. So B is a left subtree of A and C is the right subtree of A. So this makes this as a binary tree. In a binary, the maximum degree of any node is at most 2. So here we can see the degree. Here A is 0, B is 1, D is 2, and H is 3. So degree, it is maximum, it is more than 2. So it makes it as a binary tree. So this is my explanation about hierarchical data structure. Thank you.